Hello everybody, my name is Matthew, short Matt, and right now I'm gonna show you how to change this old switch with this one, sexy one. Woohoo! Well, first you have to pick your dog and move her away so you know you have place for work. Oh, yes. Well, second thing, what is really important here is safety. So, safety first. So, when you have place and your safety, now let's start. You see, here you have two screws, 1 and 2. So, first of all, oh, my safety. First of all, you have to put, safety. You have to put those two screws out, just like that. 1, 2, 3, and screw it out, Lee. You know, like a song. 1, 2, 3, and screw it out, Lee. So, when you screw it out, you can see two wires over here, two black wires, and a lot of people actually doesn't know what are these for. Well, and I think I am actually one of them. But anyway, let's see if there's electricity in it. Nope. Nope. Okay, that means we are saved. Now, what we have to do is put those things out, just like that, and the second one just like that. See, easy peasy, let me squeezy. So now we can see we have two goddamn wires, and what are they for? They're for insert and output. They're enter and exit. So now we have to open that our new socket. I know why they so complain about the package. So you need more time for unpackage to, you know, actually install the whole thing in. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Well, before you're doing it, I recommend you first put this thing out. It will work much better. So now you can see here you have a picture that means L and 1, and I hell don't know what means L or 1, but I know that L is, well, start and 1 is exit. Very simple. Before that, let's check the electricity once again. There is a lamp, it's nothing. Okay, nothing and nothing. Oh! Oh! Better not. Not with fingers. Never. So, we have to pick this one and I said, okay, you're gonna be the start. It's not important which one is, just pick one, you know, put in, and it should get in. If it's not, like in my case, that means you need more place. You need knife. Knife. Oh, you can use normal kitchen knife, like me, and just get out. Ow! Out, not ow. Ow! God damn it! No, this is fucking hard. So, if you have better knife from me, it's much fucking better. Oh god damn it! Ow! See, a little more. And we have our first in. Here you go. It is in. You know, it's like when your woman says, would you put it in already or what? No, it's the same. Now second one is also too short. You can, god fucking damn it, ow, and cut it off. Oh, god damn it, it's hard. It's harder than it looks. Ow, my nail. One more time. And 10 more times. Oh, yeah. Here we go. And in one, this should be exit. Yes. Here we go. Okay, so now these two are in, as you see. Or if you don't, well, that's not my problem. So now you can use one of these and put in gently, and if it not work gently, then forget about gently, just put it in, you know, like that. Oh, you see, again, two screws which will screw your life if you want. Put them a little out, just a little bit, and put in like that, or like that, I don't know. Huh. Now you have a problem here. Too big thing and too small rope. Here we go, now it should be work. Here we go. Nope, we need one more thing, a hammer. You can use a hammer for a chicken. And oops, one more on this. This should work. And just do a little more place, like this. Here you go. And up. And here. Just if you do the first time, well, good luck. It's really artistical work. It's like being a you see, almost little more hammer won't kill nobody, or well, it will, a couple of stones, but we don't care about it. Here you go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. 3. Here you go. It goes perfectly. Well, it should. Here. Now it should work. What a mess. What a mess. And let's see. Now it's going closer. Now it's... No, it's not closer. I hate this job. But, it's better to change yourself than pay the electricity, the electric person, because it's much expensive. This is a problem with older switch, because they are bigger when they are tinier, and the new ones are bigger. So let's try now with on the head like that. Nope, still doesn't work. You know what? I hate this shit already. But it's gonna work. Well, it should, at least. Otherwise, I will have to call help. Oh, god damn it! Oh, you can use hammer again. Well, we have to use hammer a lot. Ow. I'm basically walking on the... Okay, down and... Oops. Oops. Now here we go. One more this and this. Here we go. My father came home. Uspalenci. So, yeah, my father asked, where is my mother? I answer him. So, ooh la la, it's almost, you can see it's almost in, just like sex, it's almost in. Every time it's almost in, just a little bit. Where is that? We have to use our hammer a little bit more on the right side. And it should work now. I hope. Oh god damn it. No, it won't work. I hate this so fucking much. But it's almost in. Just like that, it's almost in. Okay. Now this is this is a problem which I didn't think about. Okay, we need a little more space from the left side. Here. Now it should work. Oh god damn it. I so fucking hate this shit. And here we go. Now it works. Now we have to fix that. And let it right. Yeah, you have to watch it that new switch won't jump out. Have to force it in. Okay, it's better now, but it's not finished yet. Here we can see it's much better, and here unfortunately it's much shittier. We can change that. Here we go. Okay. It's hot. Oh, or it's just me. I'm so hot. It's just me. I'm so hot. And this switch is so not. Oh, okay. It's on, and now we have to put this little friend into place like that. Just like that. Like that. Here you go. Okay. And so the new sexy one switch is on. Now I'm gonna put the electricity back, and then we'll check if that actually works.
Together, we're gonna dry our tears. Together, get rid of our pride and fears. Our time is running out, and we're both guilty, without a doubt. Together.
I'm back. So, I'm ready. I am. You know, now it's time for new history. You know, it's like one small step for a human, but also one big, giant step for humankind. So, are you ready? I hope you are. Let's see. This is a socket or switch, and this is light. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is working. You see? Woohoo! Thank you very much. Thanks for watching and subscribe.